Mas okay to gay na. Hi guys, so we're now here at Big 8 Corporate Hotel. So we're about to go to the poolside. Hold on. So yeah. Ta-da! 2 feet to the pool.
And guys, ayaw na ko ninyo i-mind dun ha. Kaya wala lang. Nagpa-cute-cute lang. Uy! And this is the view during the night. Napakaswerte namin kasi kami lang yung tao. Bye! And take note guys, may banda pa talaga, narinig nyo naman siguro, 'di ba? And of course, papahuli pa ba tayo? Maliligo tayo guys. Kasi bakit pa tayo nag-Big 8 kung hindi naman tayo magpupul? Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung bilbil ko. So, sa mga dyan, pasintabi na lang, okay? And syempre, aaura tayo. Kasi, diba, sayang yung bayad.
So all in all, I love the experience and everything.